Basically, this is, or was, kind of an RV park. They've got some mobile homes in the back, and they cleared out all the RVs, and they replaced them with these beautiful BOXABL casitas. The project's not finished just yet, but we're almost there. I think they're going to be building like some decks around them here. You'll notice underneath of these, they've got the trailer systems on them, and the reason for that is it's regulation. So by keeping the trailer system on them, these are actually technically not residential buildings, they're technically RVs. So then they were allowed to be in this park with this use case. And the way the RVs are regulated, there's no kind of state programs, so it doesn't slow us down. So a lot of the projects we're looking at now are RV projects like this. And another cool thing about it is when you do a regular residential construction with like bare land or even a backyard ADU, you got to come in, you know, build roads, build foundation, trench in utilities and all that. But in these RV parks or mobile home parks that are all around the country, it's already good. They're ready to go. They have pads, they have electricity. So we can literally, within a week, drop down a house, set it up, and be online. But we'll just take a quick walk through. I feel like the paint job is very cheerful here. Yeah, you can see these are like the little pedestals where kind of the RVs would connect, and they're going to build kind of decks around all these and create a really nice little community for people. We're working really hard every day to make housing affordable. This is a very difficult task, but with a very big upside if we get it right. Of course, housing is a trillion-dollar industry around the world. It's one of the biggest kind of product categories out there, and there's a huge need for someone to fix it. And a lot of people are working on a solution, and hopefully we can be the ones to figure it out. Thank you.